Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to insert rows and columns in Excel. So, let's dive right in. Open your Excel document. To insert a column, click on the column letter to the right of where you want the new column to appear. Right-click and select Insert. To insert a row, click on the row number below where you want the new row to appear. Right-click and select Insert. You can also insert multiple rows or columns at once. Select the same number of rows or columns as you want to insert. Right-click and select Insert. Alternatively, use the ribbon. Go to the Home tab, click the Insert drop-down arrow in the Cells group, and choose Insert Sheet Rows or Insert Sheet Columns. And that's it. This is how you can insert rows and columns in an Excel sheet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.